कसलेंय काम करपाची इच्छा आसत जाल्यार ताका कोणच आडावंक शकना। हे राज्यांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या संस्थांतल्या आनी शाळांतल्या विशेष क्षमतेच्या भुरग्यांनी सिद्ध करून दाखयलां। बिरेस्तारा काकुलो मॉलांत दोस्ती ह्या नांवा खाला विशेष क्षमतेच्या भुरग्यांनी केल्ल्या वस्तूंचें प्रदर्शन जालें। ह्या प्रदर्शनाक लोकांनी बरो प्रतिसाद दिलो। पळयात। DOSTI, Developing Opportunities for Socialization, Togetherness and Inclusion, Hot Ties Towards Inclusion Everywhere in Society ह्या खाशेल्या गरजेच्या भुरग्यांचो पालक आदार गट आनी GIM म्हटल्यार गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट हांणी हें प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडलें। फंड एकठांय करप आनी लोकां मदीं जागृताय निर्माण करप हो मुखेल हेत आसलो। पळयात।
Many of our children now have become entrepreneurs, and we hope by encouraging them with their skills and working on their strengths that we are able to make them productive members of the society. And today is a program called DOSTI, which we had started years back under the name DOST, and that time it was called Developing Opportunities for Socialization of Teenagers. And now since they are adults, we have started this program called DOSTI, which is Developing Opportunities for Socialization, Togetherness and Inclusion. And we have collaborated with Divya Southern, a residential center in Porvorim, and we have 6 students from the GIM, the Goa Institute of Management, and they all come together on Thursdays. We had 20 Thursday sessions of DOSTI at various places, mainly at Divya Southern, and then we slowly brought them out to public spaces like the Pilen Heritage Market, the Serendipity Festival, different spaces. And today is the finale. We are going to showcase what they achieved in these 20 weeks.
आमचे स्कूल आसा दिशा स्कूल, ते स्पेशल भुरग्यां वांगडा काम करतात आनी आमच्या स्कुलान वोकेशनल सेक्शन म्हणून एक व्हडल्या भुरग्यां लागून ब्रांच आसा, वोकेशनल सेक्शन। आतां तितून आमी व्हडल्या भुरग्यांक कितें करता, इंडिपेंडंट करता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। म्हणजे आतां जी भुरगीं आतां भायर वचून काम करपाक शकना तांकां आमी कितें करता, अशें स्कुलान प्रोडक्ट्स करून घेता आनी ह्या प्रोडक्ट्साचो जो प्रॉफीट मेळटा तो आमी भुरग्यांक डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करता स्टायफन म्हणून। आतां अशेंच हे पळय प्रोडक्ट्स केल्ले आसा भुरग्यांनी, हे पळय इयरिंग्स, ब्रेसलेट्स, रोजरीज, पेपर बॅग्स, एंकलेट्स, हेअरबँड्स, फायल्स आनी फोल्डर्स, एनवलॉप्स आनी तशेंच भरपूर तरेचे प्रॉडक्ट्स आमी करता जे भुरगीं करपाक शकता आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेवल भुरग्यांचे आमी डिफरंट प्रॉडक्ट्स करून घेता।
So we are from the house and these are our products, and we make these products in different types of sessions. So we have 5 professional skills like arts and handicraft, gardening, cafe management, store management, and culinary like cooking. Yeah. So we have like a pre-order menu for the cafe. Yeah, you can see here. And here are some of the details about the house. Yeah. And these are all products. From hanging embroideries was like your products also like. Yeah.
How long you have been doing this?
Yeah, I am for 5 years to this organization, and the house is 6 years.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, श्वेता गांवकर आनी संगीता ओली।